Spiritual growth. The Prophet said, "The child is a slave for the next 7 years, since this is the age when the child's mind can grasp logical reasoning and is developed for formal education. It is very important that the child not only be educated, that, at the same time, he or she should be raised with proper Islamic ethics." By saying that the child is a slave from 8 to 14, the Prophet wants to emphasize that at this age the parents should be strict in disciplining their children. A child is a slave in the sense that he has to follow the instructions of parents and teachers. Literacy and seeking of secular and religious knowledge has been equally emphasized for the girls in our hadith. However, instead of physical education, the hadith talk about those specific subjects which would help the girls in becoming good wives and educated mothers. The destiny of the future generations of the Ummah, after all, depends on the mothers who are learned, informed, and aware of their role in establishing a society which is always conscious of Allah's presence.